That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined. That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined. I can go get me a new broad, that's probably gon' act like she know me. I can go get me a new car and drop it faster than the old. They probably gon' say when you make it, you need to go get it and pass them to your brother. The love and the hate so fake that I can't relate, so I don't know. You like from a distance and watch from afar, pointing that pistol aiming at my heart. You saying you love me, but I don't wanna start. The lies, the truth, they really far apart. I just don't know what to do. Baby girl, can you tell me the truth? Who the problem is, it me or you? Let's get started, start searching for clues. Me and you gotta get it right back. We gotta do what's best, even if it's strings attached. You say that you want me, I just wanna know if it's fast. Thought we were through, but we finna get back what we had. We were the best, and you know it. Wanna stay private all the time, now we gon' show it. They ask me who you are and they should know. You my baby, my best friend, I thought I told. That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined. That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined. Go crazy forever, my lady. We driving Mercedes, so you know what we on. Getting to the paper, blocking out the haters, running up the number, Jimmy Neutron. Gotta get the racks, I know. Gotta run up our stack, I know. Business is business, and we so official, won't really chit chat no more. I don't really chit chat no more. I got a lot of bigger ass, that's for sure. If my time is money, it ain't moving slow. My diamonds so cold, like ice in the snow. But I'ma make sure my baby gon' have everything. Can't wait to buy her a wedding ring. She like, oh, you official, like what you think? I'ma surprise you with something you ain't never seen. That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined, yeah. You say you with it, you say you down to the finish, but it's just the beginning. So when it get hard, you gon' wanna start tripping. I ain't gon' lie, girl, I'm a soldier with no weapon. But if we break apart, I promise I'ma be stepping. I'ma get racks regardless, I would never leave your side. Just call my phone and hit my jack, baby girl, don't hurt your pride. You said you wanted this forever, let's not waste no time. Well, you my baby, my best friend, I'll always call you mine. That's my baby, that's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy, she a blessing. Ain't no stressing, cause we destined, yeah. Respect the game. I don't want nobody else but me and my game. Don't change up on me and I swear I won't change. I'm going in for the wealth, not the fame. It's my time like Dame. She see me shining, she reach for my chain. I call her the guy, she call her the girls, and we link and we do everything. I swear I won't play. Cause I've been cut too deep, so usually when you losing me, you losing me. For who I was, not who I used to be. Call me a champ like a Laker. I'm too real, I can't deal with the fakers. Everywhere I go, I always see haters. If you trying on me, then I'ma replace you. Yeah. Cause I don't want anybody else but you. I be chill with the gang, but we always got moves. Some just got nothing to lose, some got a lot to prove. Some showing who really who, don't get me confused. I see the snakes in the grass, I'm telling you I will not lose. Time and time again, time that we spend, thinking we getting some bread. Life's pretty evil, we live in a sequel. Everyone that's been dying was already dead. Since you with your people, you thinking you safe with that fire, but don't get misled. If he don't respect it, the gang gon' check him and put that boy back on his mess. Yeah. Cause I don't want anybody else. Anybody else but you. Cause I don't want anybody else. Anybody else but you. Respect the game. I see it, I want it, I cop it, I get it, it's non-stop. They say when you make it, you start acting famous and then you start riding in drop tops. I can't do it, can't change on my game. It's family over everything. They say that my people not equal, no matter the cost, it's time for a change. Respect the game, are you hearing me? Cause skin tone definitely do not put fear in me. We all wanna be great, I mean literally. I'm a beast in my heart, you could never belittle me. I'm screaming nobody else, nobody know I'm the champ, the one that be holding the belt. They say I'm not patient, I'm shaking, or I really be faking, but they don't know the cards I was dealt. Cause I don't want anybody else, I only want you. I done seen them all loving the crew, I know how they do, I know how they go. For my boys in the back, yeah, we good. Ain't no checking, I know we respected the life that we have, yeah, it's all understood. I know that you probably won't beat me, but can't see me. But believe me, I'm granting your wish like a genie. Most of these people be thinking they thugs and gangsters just cause they got 40s that's beaming. They probably won't mark off my name. They see that I'm doing my thing. They say listen, just hear what he's saying. I don't want nobody else, just respect the game. Yeah, cause I don't want anybody else, no. Anybody else but you, respect the game. Yeah, cause I don't want anybody else but. Yeah, I was hanging out with the boys in the trenches. They ain't had no dinners, but the swag so vintage. Only thing that they did was with the bowl in the kitchen. Yeah, but did I ever mention? Yeah, I was always on a mission. Mama said if you start off bad, you gotta finish. No games with these boys, you gotta be relentless. I'm handling business. If you're not gonna step behind me 10 toes, going with it. I'm really tryna count digits. Gotta make a way, get paid, rack up these riches. I'm guessing they think I'm a hot boy. Oh, you just like the rest? No, I'm not, boy. He say he got rats, I got plenty more. I feel feed on my cheese and they not Joe. I be really just having that pressure. They want more, I might give them some extra. They say you gotta pay the way for the youngest who wanna be steppers. Oh God. Oh, I see the vision is coming. Okay. Oh, they see now I'm getting some money. Now all of a sudden she want me. I guess I look like a dummy or something. But you can't get the recipe. These boys tryna arrest me. Like an athlete, I run under the numbers, I know that I'm blessed, G. They calling me bag boy Josh for sure. I be like, what do you mean? They say I'm a bag chaser, put me on the track team. They say that my favorite two colors that I like is blue and green. But since I've been get to her back, all of my cash is blue and pink. She said she want gifts like Chanel, I bought her some new Celine. She wanna roll it and a protect, she want them expensive things like diamond rings with VV. They wanna be me. It's the hot boy stuff for real, I'm shining and gleaming. I can't wait to stop dreaming. Cause I was hanging out with the boys in the trenches, and they ain't had no dinners, but the swag was so vicious. We was really in the kitchen. Cause I never needed no handout. Oh, you still in my flow, if you want it, you got it. I'm guessing like since you the man now. Oh, you the man now. The way that I do it, I'm always gonna stand out. No time for a B action, A isn't planned now. I'm going hard making plans now. What you saying now? I'm tryna get rich for the fan now. Ain't no plan now. No games. I cannot stress it enough. I'm all in. That's facts. I came from the bottom, I guess I was born. I've been tryna make a way, pray the light of day, then I say my grace, take my sins away. I'm tryna get that bag to chase, my love will never fade, but you can't take away all the pain that was ever made. I wanna be the greatest in my city, cause nobody making it out like they supposed to. And the love from the people supporting, they really be faking, they ain't really for you. If you was down bad right now, no way out, had to find a way out. Your boys supposed to have your back, but instead they'll leave you out for the count. Gotta make a way, find a way. You gotta make a way, find a way. Gotta make a way, find a way. Gotta make